Rabbit hemorrhagic disease virus, often abbreviated as RHDV, is a name that's been gaining more attention among rabbit owners, farmers, and wildlife enthusiasts. But what exactly is this virus? Why is it causing concern across continents? And most importantly, what can we do to protect our rabbits and prevent its spread? Today, we'll take an in-depth look at RHDV, unraveling its mysteries, its impact, and the practical steps we can all take to stay one step ahead. Let's start with the basics. Rabbit hemorrhagic disease virus is a highly contagious and deadly virus that affects both domestic and wild rabbits. First identified in China in 1984, RHDV has since spread rapidly around the globe, causing devastating outbreaks with high mortality rates, sometimes wiping out entire populations within just a few days. There are two main strains, RHDV1 and RHDV2, both capable of causing severe disease, but RHDV2 is particularly notorious for affecting younger rabbits and even some hare species. So how does RHDV spread? The virus is a master at hitchhiking, traveling via direct contact between rabbits, contaminated food, water, bedding, clothing, cages, and even insects. It can survive for long periods in the environment, making it especially difficult to control. Unlike some other diseases, RHDV does not require close contact for transmission. It can easily spread through airborne particles, feces, urine, and secretions. Even predators or scavengers that feed on infected rabbits can carry the virus on their fur or feet, unknowingly helping it reach new areas. Now let's talk symptoms. The challenge with RHDV is that it often strikes fast and hard. In many cases, infected rabbits show few, if any, signs until it's too late. When symptoms do appear, they can include lethargy, loss of appetite, high fever, difficulty breathing, bloody discharge from the nose or mouth, and sudden death. In some outbreaks, up to 90% of rabbits succumb to the disease, making it one of the most lethal threats to rabbit populations worldwide. What makes RHDV so dangerous is not just its rapid spread, but also its resilience. The virus can survive in carcasses in the environment for months, resisting heat and freezing temperatures. This durability means that eradication requires more than just treating sick animals. It demands a multi-layered strategy, combining vigilance, biosecurity, and education. If you're a rabbit owner, breeder, or simply someone who loves wildlife, awareness is your first line of defense. Stay informed about outbreaks in your area by following local veterinary authorities and wildlife organizations. Many countries now track RHDV outbreaks and offer updates to help communities respond quickly. Next comes protection. Biosecurity is crucial. For rabbit keepers, start by minimizing contact between your rabbits and the outside world. Always wash your hands before and after handling rabbits, and change clothes and shoes if you've been in areas where wild rabbits live. Disinfect cages, feeders, water bottles, and any equipment using recommended disinfectants that are proven to kill RHDV. If you bring new rabbits into your home or farm, quarantine them for at least 2 weeks before introducing them to the rest of your animals. Don't forget about insects. They can carry the virus from place to place. Control flies, mosquitoes, and other pests in and around rabbit enclosures. Ensure your rabbits' living spaces are secure from wild animals and use screens or fine mesh to reduce the risk of airborne transmission. Vaccination is another powerful tool in the fight against RHDV. Several vaccines are available worldwide, offering protection against both RHDV1 and RHDV2. Speak with your veterinarian about the best options for your rabbits and follow recommended vaccination schedules. Remember, even vaccinated rabbits benefit from strong biosecurity measures, as no vaccine offers 100% protection. What if you suspect RHDV in your rabbits? Act fast. Isolate the affected animals immediately and contact your veterinarian for advice. Do not move rabbits, cages, bedding, or equipment between locations. Dispose of deceased animals responsibly, following local guidelines to prevent further spread. Prompt reporting and action can make a critical difference, helping authorities contain outbreaks and protect other animals. For wild rabbit populations, the story is more complex. RHDV has devastated many native species, disrupting ecosystems and threatening biodiversity. Wildlife managers focus on monitoring outbreaks, restricting movement in affected areas, and educating the public about how to prevent accidental transmission. If you encounter wild rabbits, resist the urge to touch or feed them, as human contact can inadvertently spread the virus. Beyond the immediate threat, RHDV also raises larger questions about animal health and ecosystem balance. Rabbits play a vital role in many environments, serving as prey for predators and helping shape plant communities. Outbreaks of RHDV can ripple through the food chain, affecting not just rabbits, but also foxes, birds of prey, and other species that rely on them. So, what can communities do? Collaboration is key. By sharing knowledge, reporting outbreaks, and supporting vaccination and research efforts, we can build a united front against RHDV. Schools, farms, wildlife groups, and local governments all have a role to play, from hosting awareness campaigns to funding new studies on the virus and its impact. Let's look to the future. Researchers are working hard to understand RHDV's genetics, transmission patterns, and environmental survival. Every new discovery brings hope for better vaccines, treatments, and prevention strategies. By supporting scientific research and staying engaged, we can help turn the tide against RHDV and safeguard rabbit populations for generations to come. In summary, Rabbit hemorrhagic disease virus is a formidable foe, but one we can fight with awareness, action, and compassion. Whether you keep rabbits as pets, raise them on your farm, or simply enjoy seeing them in the wild, your choices matter. Practice strong biosecurity, stay informed, and support community efforts to monitor and prevent RHDV. Together, we can protect our rabbits and preserve the beauty and balance of our natural world. Thank you for joining us in this journey of understanding. Stay vigilant, stay proactive, and let's continue to spread awareness, not the virus. For more tips, updates, and expert insights, keep following SMART-AGRI Hub. Your rabbits and our planet will thank you.